Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Rukhsana Iqbal from Peshawar Model School, Nashara campus. Dear students, as we are discussing our SVT, so today is my lecture number 4 for the month of May regarding your SVT grade 4. In lecture number 4, we will discuss question number 7. Question number 7 is, what is the main function of skeleton? Here is question number 7. What is the main function of skeleton? You can find the answer on page number 5. I have also written it for you. The main function of skeleton are: it gives strength and support to the bone, gives shapes to the body, protects some internal and soft internal organs, and moves the body. You can find the answer by reading this paragraph. All the bones together make up the skeleton. It is present in all animals and have backbone. It is a framework of bones that helps to give strength and support to the body. For example, the backbone, called the spine, helps you to stand straight. With the help of a backbone, we are able to stand. If we remove the skeleton from our body, then we will be like a jelly. So it gives shape and support to our body. It also gives strength to our body. So frame to the body of your body, then protects some very important and soft internal organ. For example, in skull we have the brain. So skull protect the brain. Then ribs here. Inside the ribs we have heart, lungs, and all the soft internal organs are present over here. So they protect some soft internal organs of our body. They also help us to move the body. With the help of skeleton, we are able to move different parts of our body. So these are the functions of skeleton. Now next question is, how do you take care of your teeth? कैसे अपने दांतों को की हिफाजत कर सकते हैं? सो यू नो द आंसर बाय योर सेल्फ. खुद भी आप लोगों को आना चाहिए कि क्या इसका आंसर होगा. I have written it for you. You can find it on page 22 of your book. Here it is, page 22. Looking after your teeth. Why it is important to take care of our teeth? Because if we don't take care of our teeth, then our teeth becomes dirty and we can get different diseases, or it can decay. Our teeth becomes decay. So for this purpose we have to take care of our teeth. So how can you take care of your teeth? By eating healthy food, then brushing our teeth twice a day with a fluoride toothpaste. Brush your teeth in morning and before sleeping to take care of your teeth. But make sure that your toothpaste must have fluoride in it. Avoiding too many sweets. Don't eat toffees, candies, or sweet things. And visiting our dentist after every 6 months, because teeth are very important in our body. So we should take care of it. We visit our dentist if we have any pain in our teeth or if our teeth become starting decaying. So we should visit our dentist to take care of our teeth on time. Now these were the 2 questions that we discussed today. In our next lecture we will discuss question number 9 and 10. Now till then, Allah Hafiz.